Came out, dude.
Those came out good, huh?
Fucking badass looking. Totally.
Nemesis with my hat cam. 3D printed. Well, I guess we'll see how. Should be alright, I think, right?
Timer start.
That was ugly. Oh, I got one motor. I got one motor pulling more than the other. Yeah. I tried. I'm gonna have to redo it, I guess. Yep, you see that? One's pulling more than the other one. Well, that's gonna get ugly real quick. Oh, I gotta trim it first.
Alright. But being one motor's off, you know.
Oh, it's not terribly off, but it is off. You can tell by, yeah, damn it.
Still climbing, or is that you?
Oh no.
Time remaining 4.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's dead.
What's going on?
Oh, that wait, maybe not dead yet. Oh, I'm saving it.
Come back over this way, dude.
Woo!
Quit trying to trim it out.
Am I going away from myself? I am.
Yeah, now you're coming back. One of the motors is synced off. It gives it gas when it pulls. There you go, nice and easy.
Now I got to try and land it.
See, now it's we can get another loop around there. I'll stay out of your way, guys. One freaking motor is way off. Say that next time. Every time you gas it, make sure.
Timer stop.
Hopefully I can get this thing down.
Alright.
Oh. Oh, didn't break it.
Didn't break?
Didn't break. At least I think it didn't break. Did it break?
Nope, didn't hurt.
It's good? Sweet.
Barely give it a little bit of gas.
Alright, ready?
You know what?
Stop.
Just barely.
Timer
That
stop.
one's going faster. Barely.
Yeah,
Sounds like that one's going faster.
yeah. Let's see if I...
Which way was it pulling?
I can't remember.